In this video, I want to show you guys how to recover permanently deleted files from your Android phone. Things like photos, videos, documents, and even messages and contacts. And for that, we'll need a Windows computer and a software called Stellar Data Recovery for Android. This software can recover lost or deleted photos, videos, music, messages, contacts, WhatsApp chat, and media from any Android phone. So this is the official website. I'll put a link in the description. You can click on that and visit here and download this software. This video is sponsored by Stellar. So if you're looking for an Android data recovery software, don't forget to check them out. So once you have this installed on your Windows PC, open it, and this is the user interface of the software. So here we have different options to choose from. Like what types of files we want to recover. We have photos, videos, audio, messages, contacts, call history, documents. So if you're looking for let's say just the video, you can just select video alone and it will recover video files. So let's say I'm looking for photos, messages, and documents. I'm going to select those and I'm going to click on next. Now we need to connect the phone to our PC using a USB cable. So I'm going to do that. And once we connect our phone, we need to enable developer options and USB debugging. It also gives you a guide how to enable developer options and USB debugging. You can follow that. So here I'm going to go to settings, about phone, software information. Here we need to tap on build number multiple times. So I'm going to tap on build number. Now it's going to ask you to enter the password of your phone to enable the developer mode, and after that I'm going to click OK. Now we need to go back. Now we can see the developer options here. I'm going to click on that, and now we need to enable the USB debugging. Just enable it, hit OK, and here we need to allow the USB debugging to our computer. So I'm going to click allow. Now your device is connected successfully. And in the data recovery software, you'll see a scan option. So you just need to click on scan, and it will also install a software on your phone. So you'll have to allow the permission there. Now it's scanning your phone for the lost data, and it will take some time to scan the data and recover the files. So just wait and don't disconnect your phone from your PC. And after a few minutes, once it has done the scanning, you'll see the numbers next to the file type. So I've selected the photos, documents, and messages. So right now it's recovering the photos, and you can see the number is rising. So this is how many photos it has already found. So I've used this phone for more than a year now. So I have deleted lots of photos from this phone. Now I'm just going to wait for it to complete the process. Okay, the process is complete. It says scan complete, selected, Android device scanned successfully. Now we can just hit OK. Now we have selected photos, so there are many photos. Yeah, I do remember these photos actually. Okay, there are lots of screenshots and all that. This one, okay, there is even QR code. Now this one, the dog picture and the elephant, I remember this. This was last month's photo. When I was giving my son a homework. So he had to draw the animals. So I downloaded these pictures, and once it's done, I deleted. So yeah, I clearly remember these photos actually. Now let's go messages. Yeah, I remember these messages. Documents. Yeah, there are some documents like text files. You can see this is a ticket. It's probably a ticket of movie. So here we have option at the top, show all and deleted. So I'm going to go and select deleted. Here you'll see permanently deleted files. Some of these photos can be in your recycle bin. Okay, maybe you don't know about them. In phones, it's called trash. So it can also recover from that too. So I'm going to select all, and I'm going to click on save. Now I can select where I want to save it. So I'm going to go and save it to the D drive. Selected data saved successfully. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to open the file explorer where all the data is saved. So let's browse through that. I clearly remember this. This is a thumbnail preview. It's not an exact picture. I was creating a video for TikTok, so yeah, this is the image from there. Yeah, I remember this one too. It was permanently deleted. It's not on my phone. I was trying to find out how sharp my jawline is. Let's check out the messages. Oh, it's a HTML file. Okay. Most of these messages are from the provider. Yeah, this thing works really well. If you have accidentally deleted a files or have lost files from your Android phone, you can use this to recover them. Yeah, it works really well. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.